All right, how you doing? So today we're going to eat some Pakistani food, which I truly love, really. I love a lot of food, actually. Right, what we've got here is, I've got a chicken curry here, brain fry, mutton or beef biryani. This is a dry fry chicken, a little bit of salad, and this is Chapli Kebab. Think of a Pakistani burger, really. It's like a pate usually made with beef, and loads of spices in it. And then here we've got Paya. Paya is like, well, I think the word translates to feet or leg or something, but it's basically trotter, like a lamb's trotter or beef trotter, in a very loose kind of soup type masala, really delicious, cooked really slowly, or in a pressure cooker. I think they do it these days. And then the most enormous amount of bread I've got here. Anyway, let's get tucked in. I'm going to try it all first. Let's have a little taste. So, the Paya. Really delicious. Not massively hot, but look, you've got your bones and all that in there, and your trotter, and it's all kind of, you've got all that kind of jelly, the gelatin from the leg and all the skin. So yes, this has got quite a lot of cloves. I can taste cloves in this quite a lot. Really good. Chicken curry. So I go. Again, simple flavours. Really delicious. Let's go for the brain fry. Now, the first time I had this was actually in Dubai, a place called, it's called Ravi, a famous Pakistani restaurant there, and it blew my mind. It sounded really horrible. In fact, to many of you it does, but it's got a kind of scrambled egg kind of. I love it. Yeah, texture of scrambled eggs. Bit of mint sauce here to go with the biryani. Biryani, obviously a mixed rice. You get chicken biryani, vegetable biryani, fish biryani, prawn biryani, beef and lamb. That's beef and it's great. Simple chicken, kind of dry fried on a skillet. No tawa. Not massively spicy, but really super tasty. And then let's just pull off a bit of the chapli. Like I say, lamb or beef. You can even get chicken ones, but just like a burger. Do you know what I mean? Like a kind of a burger. I'm going to dip that in there. I'll have a go at that. So what's the difference between Indian food and Pakistani food? I hear you ask. Well, first of all, India is such a vast country that the food there is different amongst itself. I suppose the big difference is meat. Pakistani food is quite meaty, Indian food quite veggie. And then you've got the kind of things like coconut oil and things like that are not particularly used very much in Pakistani food and used extensively in Indian food, but again only in certain parts of India, like down in the south in Kerala, things like that. Beef, they eat beef, and just because of the religious kind of Hindu thing let me eat while I'm chatting. The religious kind of Hindu thing, they don't eat beef in most parts of India. I mean, again, in Kerala they do, in other places. But it's very, very meaty. And the spices are not crazy. And again, I've just said that, you know, India has so many varieties of food within it. It's the same with Pakistan, you know, you've got the north, south, the kind of Punjabi. So again, it changes quite a lot. So this is just a bit of a quick overview of Pakistani food. It's much more intense than this. There's some other amazing food to have. But I think we've got it covered here as a basic, you know. And again, please do get down to your local Pakistani restaurant if you have one, and if you don't, if you're ever on your travels to another city or something, try it, because it is really great. I find Pakistani food not massively spicy. I find it a bit oily. It can be a bit oily compared to Indian food maybe. But if you ask me, and I'm going to upset everyone in India right now, when it comes to a curry, the Pakistanis, they do it best. That's what I think. I remember there's a place in London I used to go to years ago, I think down in Mile End in East End, called Lahore. That is incredible, incredible, incredible. So I don't know if it's still there even, but check it out. It was massively busy all the time. It was busy all the time. But yeah, really lovely food. I've just upset everyone in India by saying that Pakistani curry is a bit better. When it comes to kind of, you know, a nice kind of deep masala, that's just my choice, so don't get upset with me too much. I've never been to Pakistan, excuse me. Now Ash, I don't know if you remember Ash. Ash is one of the camera guys that comes around with me. He's been to Sri Lanka with me and places like that, and Dubai and stuff like that. You might have seen those videos. He is from Pakistan, and he went there for, I think, he went for a couple of weeks at the beginning of the pandemic, and I've not bloody seen him since, so he's there having a brilliant time, loving it there. So I'll be seeing him in a couple of months, I think, but my plan is to get over there with him. I mean, he's been sending me amazing videos and, you know, video clips of what he's up to and where he's going, and place looks bloody banging, just looks amazing, just looks such like an amazing place. So I just really want to get over there as soon as I can. Right, I'm going to get tucked in a little bit of brain, bit of a dry chicken. Again, I didn't see that, but massive amount of bread. Which you can dip in and get going with. Oh man, that is wonderful. So the hottest thing here is the brain fry. It generally has quite a lot of chili chopped into it. Chapli Kebab, again, region to region, street seller to street seller. Could be very different. Some are really famous out there, you know. But yeah, what lovely food. Not an expert on Pakistani food at all, apart from I love it. That's me done. Well, chatting that is. I'll see you next time. I'm eating now. So good. I wish you were sitting here with me now eating this. It's fantastic.